Grain and livestock futures ending mixed on Friday. Darren Frye with Water Street Solutions is with us. Darren, I want to talk about the grains because while we closed mixed on Friday, we had higher weekly closes and everything led by the wheat market. Can we keep going here?
Well, the whole complex has been led higher by wheat. Soybeans haven't been that stellar, and certainly corn has had a few good days. After a week ago, Thursday, when Israel attacked Iran, we saw the grains move up Monday, Tuesday after that Friday reversal. But they haven't done much the rest of the week. Wheat has. And today we saw Chicago kind of run into some resistance up around that 630, 635 area and reversed pretty good. So didn't have the best close. Kansas City, however, did close well. And if we're going to go higher, I think Kansas City has to lead us out of here. Chicago looks a little bit tired right now.
Yeah. And as you mentioned, corn and soybeans still pretty range bound. We can't take out the top end of the trading ranges. Do you think eventually we will if wheat keeps moving higher, or is there something else that could be the catalyst for it?
Well, I think wheat won't hurt if it keeps moving higher, but I have kind of my doubts. I think all the wheat classes have kind of run pretty hard. They're, 70, 80 cents off the lows. And so we should see them pull back at some point. But I think it's going to come down to the WASDE report here in a couple weeks when we see what USDA says about South America. And of course, we got to watch the planting progress. It's way too early to have a problem yet, but we're going to get a lot of rain over the next few days, and it's going to push the planters out of the field until the early part of May, and then we got to see what the action is, getting those planters back in the field, getting planting progress going. But it's too early to talk about planting delays. But hey, if we're still doing this May 10th, May 15th, maybe that's the things that sends corn higher.
And cattle ended with new highs for the move on Friday with a better cash trade. Can we continue to move higher in that market?
I think we can. It'll be important to see what cash does this week. We did get good closes last Friday. I was looking for the June to close over that 178.80 mark. They didn't quite do that, but we did see them close over the 100-bar moving average. They had great action on Thursday, that reversal, as we did see cash move higher. And then, of course, Friday they had follow through. So I'm optimistic.
Thanks so much, Darren, for our Water Street Solutions. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.